Hello students, welcome back to channel. Now in this video we will discuss about the numericals based on length formula and power of length. So let's start. Now students, in the previous videos we have done ray diagrams of convex lens as well as concave lens. Now what we have observed that focal length of convex lens is positive while that of concave lens is negative. And convex lens give either real image or virtual, but concave gives only virtual image. Now in real image, object as we are taking always on the left hand side, so it is always negative. Even for virtual also, u is negative. For concave, u is negative. But in real image, v is always positive. But virtual image we are getting on the left hand side, on the same side of an object. So it is negative. Here also v is negative. Then we have done, it is negative, magnification is negative, but here magnification is positive. Now another formula of magnification we have done, h dash upon h, where h is size of image or height of image, and this is size of an object or height of an object. Now, length formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. You know, f is focal length, v is the distance of an image from the lens, u is the distance of an object from the lens. Now, then what is power of lens? Now, power of lens depends upon the focal length. It is the deviation produced by the lens in the path of the ray refracted by the lens. So, this power is reciprocal to the focal length, provided focal length you are taking in meter. Sign of this power, positive or negative, depends upon the sign of focal length. And you already know focal length for convex lens is positive, so power of convex lens is positive. Focal length of concave lens is negative, so power of concave lens is negative. Now we will solve the numericals based on this. An object 5 cm in the length is held 25 cm away from converging lens. Converging lens means it is a convex lens. Now first of all, an object 5 cm in length, so it is h, is held 25 cm away from 8. So it is minus 25. You have to decide negative sign by yourself. Already concept I have done. Now of focal length. You know focal length of convex lens is positive. So that I will take 10 centimeter. Now you have to find position, size and nature of the image along with magnification. Now you know the lens formula. 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Now 1 by 10, that is equals to your 1 by v minus 1 by minus 25. So it will be 1 by 10. This is minus minus plus. Again when you transfer this side it will be negative 1 by v. So this will be 25 minus 10 by 250. That is 1 by v. So your 1 by v is 15 by 250. When you reduce, you will get 3 by 50, take reciprocal, so your V is 50 by 3, which is equal to, so your V is 16.67, it is positive, it means V is on the right hand side, so your image is a real image. And you know real image is always inverted. Now, whether diminished or magnified, find out M. Your V is 16.67. Your U is minus 25. That will be equal to minus 0.67. It is, I told concentrate on the magnitude, negative indicate it is a real image. It is less than 1. This value, only this value is less than 1. So it is diminished. Now next one, a concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter. Now concave lens means focal length is negative, so you have to take minus 15 centimeter. Forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Concave lens, so image is also on the left hand side, so that is also negative, so minus 10 centimeter. How far is the object placed? Also find their magnification. Now, apply the lens formula. Substitute the values. Transfer 1 by u this side and transfer this side. 1 by u will be minus, you can transfer negative side in the numerator also. So your 1 by u will be minus 5 by 150. That is minus 1 by 30. So your U is minus 30 centimeter. Why it is a concave? U, V, F, everything is negative. Now magnification. So your magnification is V by U. Your V is minus 10, minus 30. So it is 1/3, 1 by 3. It means less than 1. So you know that magnification is positive. It means it is virtual. Virtual image is always erect. Value is 1/3 means less than 1. So it is diminished. And theoretically also we have done in the ray diagram that concave lens always give virtual, erect and diminished image. Now one more. You have to find the position and nature of an image of an object 5 centimeter high. So your height is 5 centimeter. And 10 centimeter in front of convex lens. So your U is minus 10 centimeter. Convex lens focal length is 6 centimeter. It is always positive. So 6 centimeter. Now you are asked to find out the position of image and its nature. Now again apply lens formula. Minus 10. Minus minus will be positive. That side it will be negative when you transfer. So it will be minus 10 plus 10 minus 6 upon 60. So your 1 by V will be 4 by 60. that is 2 by 30, 1 by 50. So your V is 15 centimeter. V is positive means our image is on the right hand side. It is real image. So first find out the magnification. You should get it negative. It is 15. This is minus 10. So minus 1.5. Negative indicate that it is a real image. Real image is always inverted. Now when you concentrate on the magnitude, it is 1.5. 1.5 is greater than 1. Don't concentrate the sign. Don't consider it. Don't concentrate on the sign. Only the magnitude 1.5. It is greater than 1. So it is magnified. Now power of lens I told it is 1 by f. But f you have to take always in meter. Suppose I have to find out power of convex lens with focal length 20 centimeter. Now it's a convex lens, so my focal length is positive. But I have to convert it into meter. So it is 0.2 meter. Now apply the formula of power. It will be 0.2. Remove the decimal. So it will be plus. Why? Because it is a convex. 5 diopter. This plus and minus is compulsory to show. One more. Find power of lens whose focal length is minus 50 centimeter. Negative means it is concave. So your f is minus 50 centimeter. Convert it into meter. It will be 0.5 meter. Now you know power is 1 by f. 1 by 0.5. That will be 2 diopter. But you know it is negative. So your answer should be minus 2 diopter. Don't forget to take the sign. If it is concave, negative power. If it is convex, positive. Students, hope you have understood everything properly. Now, if you have any doubt in the numericals or ray diagrams, comment or mail. Thank you.